So one of the things that you can do in Terabox is add in your own text box as well. So over here, by default, you will get the AI generated text boxes right here all over the place. But if you want to add in your own, let's say for example, then you can simply go around over here onto the top and click on insert text. Then click and drag out a text box wherever you want, and you can go ahead and start typing in whatever you want right here. And you can see that in that particular area right here, you can see that the text gets written out. You can go ahead and resize out the text box as you want right here, and even rotate it and place it wherever you want, just like you would edit an AI generated text box right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and add in multiple text box by clicking and dragging right here, just like this, as you can see. So you can go around over here, and if you were to just click instead of dragging out, then you would simply get a default size square text box right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and insert out text box in Terabox slide editor. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.